Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto here. I am a realtor, home inspector, and notary. Right now I am over at the Margaritaville Resort, Orlando, which is over in Kissimmee. So this home I'm showing you right now, which you're seeing that has the yellow shutters. This home is a 3-bedroom. It's a little over 1,500 square feet. We're gonna go inside and take a look at this. Nice looking home on the outside. Although I do like most of them. I like the styling that they have. Now, if you are interested in this home, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. You will always end up getting this home for less than if you head straight over to the builder yourself. And then that way I could check on the latest pricing, inventory, and the incentives that can be offered. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk in. You got the stairs over here. I have my back in the corner over by the front door. Very nice kitchen in this one. I like what I'm seeing. Now in this community, you could either purchase this and own it for yourself, or you could purchase this and also be part of the program that rents the home out. And you could also purchase a furniture package. There are a few different ones available. Now here's a little brief on the way the rentals go over here. They have property management teams, okay, that work for the resort. And the property management teams will be taking care of everything with your property. Again, that's if you choose to be part of the rental program. Okay, so you could tell that you have a full bathroom over there, and let's see what we have here. Now this home is a inventory, which makes it close to being fully completed, but anytime a home is an inventory home, typically it always needs some kind of work, whether it's paint or some kind of touch-ups here and there. So just keep that in mind, excuse me. So let's see, what do we have here? Oh, look at this. It looks like a flex room. And maybe there's a closet in here. nice big hall closet here. Okay, so here's your laundry. Now over here what you're seeing is absolutely fantastic, okay? This isn't something that you see often at all. But over here on the bottom, you can see over here's a drain, okay? Now on this, where the washing machine is on top of, this drain is kind of like having the bottom of a shower. So if in the event that it does leak, it's going to head down the drain instead of all over your floor. So that's really fantastic to have. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. Please like, favorite, share, subscribe. And if I can help you out with your home purchase or sale, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.